This is going to be a quick demo of the Latent Couple Region Mapper. So let's say we're trying to make a more complex image, something with some actual composition to it. So for example, something like this, where on the left side you have a character, and on the upper right side you have another subject, in this case a castle or something. Doing this traditionally with Stable Diffusion would be really hard. There wouldn't really be any good way to do this all in one shot. You would have to use in-painting and some other tricks in order to get this to look good. But with Latent Couple, you're able to just physically define regions on the canvas where you want specific prompts to be influenced. But setting up those regions inside of the Latent Couple Stable Diffusion plugin is a complete nightmare. Messing around with ratios and trying to figure out all these values is horrible and unintuitive and some of the worst UX I've seen in a long time. So I wrote Latent Couple Region Mapper, and this allows you to define regions visually with a mouse the way that things should be. So I'm going to give you a quick demo here. We're going to recreate this image here using latent coupling. So first thing we're going to do, tune in our resolution. So if we wanted this to be, 512, 512, 1024 by 512, you get the idea. We all know what this is. It's resolution. It's pixels. So now let's define a region. Click, drag. There's our first region. Click, drag. There's our second region. And you can see at the bottom, we have these prompt sections pop up corresponding to the regions we just created. So region number 1 here has a prompt box number 1, region number 2, prompt box number 2, nice and simple. If we want to delete regions, right click, they're gone. If you want to resize a region, you click on the little red anchor at the side and you can resize it. If you want to move regions, you grab anywhere else, you can move it around. Nice and straightforward, real simple stuff. So I like this composition. This looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and throw some prompts in here. I've got a couple already pre-configured that I know work well. So we're going to say number 2 is going to be our castle. So we'll put that over there. I've got a castle in the distance. Large medieval castle, ornate Gothic architecture, and Orlando. And then number 1 here, we're going to have a character, an elf or something. And we're done. We have completed it. And the tool has already generated all the output that we need. We don't need to click anything. It'll automatically update. So now all we need to do is copy this into Stable Diffusion. So in the Latent Couple section, we're going to enable it, and then we're going to copy the data over. Divisions, positions, and weight. Cool. I'm just going to make sure that our resolution is the same. 1024. Now, just to verify that this was actually the information that was transferred over to the automatic 1111 extension, we can just click the visualize button there and see, yeah, it did actually position the regions in the right spot. You don't have to do that. And then let's just grab the prompt, paste that in there, and then for the negative, I'm just going to do everyone's favorite, easy negative. There we go, we're done. Let's generate this. Would you look at that? It did it. Yep. So you can see the effect that the regions had. Yeah, so there you go. I think the results there speak for themselves. Yeah, so check this out. This tool is available for free. You can check it out on my website. I'll have a link on the video description. I'll put a link up right in front of your face right now. Go ahead and use this.